If you want to delete your call history on iPhone, this video will show you exactly how to do it, whether you want to clear one call or wipe the whole list. This is the most up-to-date way to do this because Apple changed the phone app layout in recent iOS versions, and a lot of older tutorials don't match what you actually see on the screen. Stick with me to the end and follow each step in order. If this helps, consider subscribing. First, open the phone app on your iPhone. Now look at the tabs along the bottom of the screen. Depending on your iPhone, you'll either see a tab called Calls or a tab called Recents. If you see Calls, tap that. If you see Recent, tap that instead. They do the same thing. Apple just renamed it in the newer layout. You'll now see a list of your recent calls. Let's start with deleting a single call because this is the quickest method. Find the call you want to remove, then swipe left on it. A red delete button will appear. Tap delete and the call is gone. You can repeat this for as many individual calls as you like. Now, if you want to delete several calls or clear everything at once, here's how to do it. Tap Edit on the top right corner of the screen. Once you are in edit mode, you'll see a red minus circle to the left of each call. Tap the red minus circle next to a call, then tap delete to remove it. Do this for each call you want gone. To wipe your entire call history in one go, tap clear instead. A confirmation will pop up asking if you are sure. Tap clear all recent records to confirm and your whole call list is wiped. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like the video as it really helps the channel out, and subscribe for more videos like this one. This is Abdul signing out, and I'll see you in the next one.